Episode we're going to talk about marketing. Hello everybody, this is Girish and I welcome you all to the Daily Girish Show. We were talking about entrepreneurship, entrepreneurial mindset, the journey, the different phases, the problems, and now we're going to talk about one of the most important factors that differentiate companies and that allow the company to be a small but to make it a bigger company is the marketing. No doubt, the product is most important. No one can deny that. But many people have the same products, but what differentiates one company that is becoming big to a small is its marketing strategies. Now, what most people get confused about marketing is that they think investing in hoardings, investing in different type of mediums allow them to be famous. And what they forget, it's not something very specific that you need to do these things to do the marketing. Marketing is just not about hoardings or doing television ads. Marketing is anything and everything that gets your brand and attention. And what most people forget is that they are so much engaged in making short-term money that they forget what after 5 years from now. What if their strategies, which is happening right now, which is making them earn money, doesn't work 5 years from now? So one of the most important thing about marketing is brand. You need to establish your brands. And one of the main reasons why this is so is that maybe today you're small. Maybe today you are earning good amount of money, but the market doesn't give you any guarantee that you will be same after 4 years. You may be having different competitors over the market. So what then? So here comes the importance of brand building, which most of the companies or startups are neglecting. Because once you're a brand, you have established yourself in the market, then you can market anything. You can push your products into the market like anything. For example, if you have a hardcore sales company, and if one strategy is working for you right now, you're able to earn money maybe by the inbound call or by the cold callings. What if some new technology emerges? What if customer wants something more? Or there is something that reduces the time between the customer and the end product? So you need to establish yourself. And what is marketing? Marketing is nothing more than getting the attention. If I have your attention and you are looking at me, example, looking in this video, then whatever I'm saying, you listen to me. But if you don't even see me, if you don't even know me, how will you even listen to the content which I have or things which I want to put in the world? I don't say I'm charging any money. But if I need to do, or if I need to tell something, if I need to pour my ideas, then I need to get your attention first. If I don't have your attention, then how I will be able to, put my content or put my any other product to you? When I know you, and you're able to hear me, you know me, the person I want, and I think the marketer should do is that they should get updated. They should be updated with different technology. They should know where people are. If you don't even know where people are, to whom you're marketing? If you're putting the hoardings in the villages and if you crowd the tier 4 city, there is no use. So you should know where your crowd, where your audience is. And before that, you should know who your audience is. Many people just start putting different advertisement. They start putting the flyers. That's good. I don't stop you from spending money on that. That's your own problem. But I think what is most important is to understand the audience, who your audience is. Then put the content on that. For example, I know my audience is on this channel. I know they're on the YouTube. So I'm putting the content here because I know they will listen to this. They need that. In the same way, if you know your audience is your colony, then why are you putting the different hoardings and different flyers throughout the country? You don't need to do that. Right? One thing that everyone should understand who is starting their business or who are on this entrepreneurial journey or who are doing some startups, that try to recognize your audience and try to put your content. I don't say videos. if you have some audios, if you have some fact and figures, if you have some flyers, hoardings, whatever you want to put in, or you want to make the people understand, you need to put to the right audience, and you need to see where your audience is. You need to use the real mediums. If you can do things in 1 hour, why are you wasting time for that 1 day or 5 to 1 week or 1 month? So try to get updated and know where audience is, where their attention is. I don't say, for example, my audience are living in the New Delhi, I don't need to go to their houses. When I know they're on the WhatsApp, I know they're on the Instagram, then I need to put my content over there. So this is the number one thing that I can think, and I know this works for everyone.